Hi there, welcome to our channel where we share tips and tricks for photography. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 secret tips for taking stunning photos with your phone. You don't need a fancy camera to take beautiful pictures. Your phone is a powerful tool that can capture amazing shots. Let's get started. Tip 1. Clean your lens. The first tip is to clean your lens. Oftentimes, the lens can get smudged or dirty, which can result in blurry or hazy photos. Use a microfiber cloth or lens wipe to clean your lens before taking a shot. Tip 2. Find good lighting. Lighting is key to great photos. Look for natural light sources like windows or go outside during the golden hour for beautiful, warm light. Tip 3. Use the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a basic photography principle that can help you compose your shots. Use the grid on your phone's camera to place your subject along the lines or intersections for a more interesting composition. Tip 4. Experiment with angles. Don't be afraid to get creative with your angles. Try shooting from different heights or angles to capture a unique perspective. Tip 5. Get close. Get up close and personal with your subject. This can create a more intimate and detailed shot. Tip 6. Use the HDR mode. High Dynamic Range (HDR) mode can help you capture a wider range of light and dark in your photos. Turn on HDR mode for a more balanced exposure. Tip 7. Use editing apps. Editing apps like Lightroom or Visco can help you enhance your photos. Experiment with filters, brightness and contrast to make your photos pop. Tip 8. Shoot in burst mode. Burst mode can help you capture fast-moving subjects or candid moments. Hold down the shutter button to take multiple shots at once. Tip 9. Use the self-timer. Don't be afraid to put yourself in the shot. Use the self-timer to capture selfies or group photos. Tip 10. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Experiment with different techniques and have fun with your phone photography. And there you have it, our 10 secret tips for taking stunning photos with your phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more photography tips and tricks.